Hi, I'm Dr. Roger Owens with HealthQuest Physicians Group, and this is A Minute to Better Health. Today we're talking about things we can do to help with disc type injuries. Now, this machine is called the Triton DTS, and it's designed for healing or helping to heal lumbar disc problems and cervical disc problems, but specifically we're going to talk about the neck today. Now, when we have a disc injury, if you look, the disc becomes swollen, and it allows, since this is the disc and this is proximity to the nerve root, it allows pressure to form on that nerve root. This causes a radicular type of pain. Oftentimes it responds very, very well to a conservative chiropractic approach, but if it's a little more complex or a little more severe with degeneration, we utilize the Triton DTS. Now, this is the brains of the unit, and this is what makes this type of traction extremely effective with treating disc disorders. It creates what's called a variable intermittent, meaning it cycles on and off, type of traction that fools the disc, allows you to pull the disc and the joints apart very, very slightly, very, very gently, to allow fluids back into the disc, reinflating the disc, and as the disc inflates, it increases the space for the nerve, and therefore healing can begin. If you know of somebody who suffers from neck pain, particularly radiating down into the shoulders, please share this video with them, like it, and if you have any questions, call us at 635-9655. Thank you.